Benefits of installing an SSD on your Xbox 360.
Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing the benefits of installing an SSD on your Xbox 360. Upgrading your storage to a solid-state drive, SSD, is a fantastic way to improve your gaming experience. Let's dive into the key benefits.
What is an SSD?
An SSD, or solid-state drive, is a type of storage device that uses NAND-based flash memory to store data. It has no moving parts, making it more durable, faster, and more energy efficient than traditional hard disk drives, HDDs.
How does an SSD improve game load times?
One of the primary benefits of installing an SSD on your Xbox 360 is the significant reduction in game load times. Because SSDs have faster read and write speeds than HDDs, your games will load more quickly, providing you with a smoother gaming experience.
Will an SSD enhance my in-game performance?
Yes, an SSD can improve in-game performance. By reducing loading times for textures, assets, and other in-game elements, an SSD allows you to enjoy a more seamless gaming experience with fewer interruptions and delays.
Can an SSD prolong the life of my Xbox 360?
Absolutely. SSDs generate less heat and use less power than HDDs, which means your Xbox 360 will run cooler and more efficiently with an SSD installed. This can help extend the life of your console by reducing the stress on its internal components.
How does an SSD affect storage capacity?
While SSDs are available in a variety of storage capacities, they are typically more expensive than HDDs for the same amount of storage. However, the performance benefits often outweigh the higher cost. You can choose an SSD with the right balance of storage capacity and price to suit your needs. In conclusion, upgrading your Xbox 360 with an SSD offers numerous benefits, including faster game load times, improved in-game performance, and a longer console life. While SSDs might be more expensive than traditional HDDs, the enhanced gaming experience they provide makes them a worthwhile investment for any Xbox 360 owner.